Hi, how are you today? I've got some really awesome products I'm going to share with you today, and one of them is the Intense Puffiness Reducer. Now, puffiness, when I heard the title, I thought, oh, it's like going to take away all my puffiness and everything like that. Well, I don't usually really have much puffiness. What I didn't realize it was going to do is it's also going to go and hide and get these fine lines that I have to just go away. So I'm gonna take just right size amount, and literally I put it on my ring finger, and I am just gonna use like that amount, right? And then I'm just going to pat it on. This is after you've cleansed your face, before anything else. Now, when you use this, if you're using this in the morning, do not use any eye cream. Use the eye cream only in the evening. And then for the next 2 minutes, we're gonna just kind of hold our facial expressions. So for 2 minutes, and then you let that completely dry for 15. In the meantime, I am going to put my moisturizer on everywhere else, staying away from that area. I know this kind of goes away from all the things that you've been taught, and we've been taught in our skincare parties. We always talk about putting eye creams on, hydrating our eye, under our and around our eyes. But this is how they want us to apply this. People are getting phenomenal results. Everybody is posting things. I actually took a before picture, and then of course you're gonna see it in the next 15 minutes, what it does. But last night I did it for the very first time, and this was poof, gone. Okay, so while we're letting that dry, I'm gonna show you, ladies, some wonderful gel cheek colors. Okay, so we're almost to our 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put my primer on because I gotta get going today. If you want to know more about the Instant Puffiness Reducer, please DM me down below and I will give you more information. Otherwise, go to my website. The link is down below and you can go ahead and order it. It was available as of April 26th and you will love it. And remember, it is 100% money back guarantee if it does not do what your expectations are expecting.